Hey y'all. Hey. Let's get into our face planning for the month of June. Well, first and foremost, we need to go ahead and move June up to the front of things. We are still in the last week of May right now. And I don't really use my monthly spread, so I think I'm going to leave that blank for now. Mainly, I want to focus on the first week of June. Let's go ahead and pull that out. And we're going to start. I'm going to use the Fun Florals. Really? Y'all, gotta get it together. I'm going to use the Fun Florals book today. Specifically, I want to use these stickers right here because they're just gorge. I like how they look so real. I think it's just these 2 pages. Oh, it's another one. Ooh, I like. Oh my god, I like. Okay. So, first things first, I pulled this washi. Some more gold foil washi. I had like, this came in a 20 pack at Amazon. On Amazon. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and washi this spread up. So I got the flowers along the bottom. And then put those ones right there. There we go. So, ooh, it just started pouring outside. Let me go close my patio. Alright. So we got our flowers down. Got a flower over here. And I'm going to place one right up in here. I just love how cute these are, and they're so realistic but so subtle. Put one right about there. Let me see what's on this next page. Someday we do our reflection, so I'm gonna Did you see right where it didn't move out? Okay. Alright. So I'm going to take this flower and just set it on Sunday. That's cute. Okay, now we need to grab a half sheet. And I have just the one in mind. I'm going to use that one instead of the black and white one, because it already has the colors. And And instead of doing the line straight across with the washi, I think I'm just going to put some washi across the corner. Yeah, I think that's how I'm feeling. I'm going to put some washi across the corner. Just to do something a little different. I don't need that washi to be that long. That's for darn sure. Alright. So we're gonna set up. And I'm just gonna take this mile liner and put fry. And set. So we got our Friday and Saturday. And now we need a little love. They need a little love. So let's go back. Let's go back. Go ahead and put that right there, and I can write around it. And then on Saturday, I'm gonna grab this leftover strip. I'm gonna go ahead and put it along. Oh wow, and the page just ripped. So got that there, and then I wanted to put put this one back. And we'll just leave it like that. That's cute. Y'all, I think I'm getting the hang of all these flowers. I think I finally am. So this is our faith plan for this upcoming week, you guys. Well, not this, yeah, this upcoming week, because it'll be the first. Oh, I need to cut that. Oh no. Where is... Why is it whenever you need your X-Acto knife, it's always in the bottom of the planner bag? It ain't never right on tap. Make it easy for you. Just cut this. Alright, so we have our spread for June 1st through the 7th. Thank you guys for faith planning along with me. And remember to live your life exquisitely, one day and one plan at a time. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.